Namaskaram. Good evening, everyone. Dignitaries on the dais, Sri Chennam Reddy Garu, Director NITHM, Professor Ajita Levin, Professor Rabi Joda Najibulo, Ms. Varsha Chaturvedi, Professor Vanisa, Professor Korkoso, Professor Heba Ibrahim, Sri Ravi Burra Garu, friends, and off the dais, and academicians Sandeep Kulsreshta Garu, Nimit Chaudhary, and all. It's my distinct pleasure and honor to be part of the 4th Joint International Conference on Hospitality, Tourism and Sustainable Development Goals organized by NITHM in Hyderabad. I would like to extend a warm welcome to all the distinguished guests, experts, scholars, participants who have come from far and wide to attend the conference. Since this conference is about tourism, hospitality and sustainability, I'll just talk about sustainable thing. As you are aware that Sustainable Development Goals are set of goals that have been adopted by the United Nations to guide the development efforts around the world. These goals cover a range of issues from poverty reduction to environmental sustainability to social equality and are intended to be achieved by 2030. This seminar is an important opportunity for us to come together to discuss how we can work towards achieving the sustainable goals. It's an opportunity to learn from each other, share our experiences and best practices, and collaborate on strategies for achieving the SDGs. I take this opportunity to inform the initiatives undertaken by the Ministry of Tourism, Government of India in promoting sustainable tourism in the country. Ministry of Tourism, Government of India announced National Strategy for Sustainable Tourism in the year 2022. So key pillars of the strategy are promoting environmental sustainability, protecting biological diversity and natural heritage, promoting economic sustainability, promoting socio-cultural sustainability, certification schemes for sustainable tourism practitioners, information, education, communication and capacity building. And the last one is governance and institutional framework. The Ministry of Tourism designated the Indian Institute of Tourism and Travel Management as the premier institute in the tourism, imparting tourism education as the central nodal agency for assisting the ministry in the implementation of the strategy. Major initiatives taken up by the central nodal agency for sustainable tourism are: first one is information, education, communication campaign to facilitate awareness, creation of sustainable tourism practices. Travel for Life campaign for bringing behavioral change in Indian tourists towards responsible travel. State assessment and ranking to rank the states based on sustainable tourism performance and progress at all levels. Regional workshop for capacity building of sustainable tourism destinations of states, union territories. I'm happy to announce that day before yesterday only we concluded a successful workshop on sustainable tourism, which was attended by the 200 plus tourism practitioners. And Government of we formulated sustainable tourism criteria of India, which launched to certify sustainable tourism service providers like hotels, travel agents, and tour operators. This is a set of voluntary guidelines for tourism enterprises that aims to promote sustainable tourism practices. These guidelines covers areas such as energy conservation, waste management, water conservation, and community sustainable development. Through this seminar, we can explore ways to achieve SDGs in the tourism field, whether it be through policy development, innovation, or community engagement. I'm confident that the seminar will be a productive and inspiring event that will contribute to the global effort to achieve sustainable development goals. And in conclusion, I would like to thank the NITHM authorities, students, volunteers who have worked tirelessly in making this conference a reality. Thank you. Thank you, one and all.